If you're looking for the best solar panel for hiking and biking, I think you might have found it with this one right here. This is the FlexSolar 10W foldable solar panel. And you know what? It's a lightweight solar charger that you can charge all of your devices for under 25 bucks. Unfolded, this thing is 15.5 inches by 8.8 inches. When it's all folded, it collapses down to 7.6 by 8.8 inches, roughly the size of an iPad, and it weighs right around 11 ounces or 300 grams, which is basically nothing. When attached to your bag or backpack, you honestly forget that it's there due to the light weight. Speaking of attaching, you get carabiner clips and anchor points, making it very easy to attach to your gear while you're on your trip, allowing you to passively charge while you're on your adventure. The build quality is great for the price. The ETF lamination feels pretty premium actually, and not really flimsy. It's stiff and it handles being tossed around in a bag or just being outside. It is rated IP67, which is waterproof, so it can handle rain and splashes, which is great for you. It also has a built-in LED indicator, so you know when it's actually working and pulling power. Now you're probably wondering, well, does it work? I was stunned at how well this solar panel worked for only being 10 watts. I tested this on so many different things. My iPhone, my iWatch Ultra, a battery bank, my GoPro, a Bluetooth speaker, my drone, and even my wireless microphone that you see here. All charged fine without any issue at all. Yeah, some devices took a little longer than I would have liked to, but you know what? Those are fine because those were things like my drone and my microphone that I don't need right away. But for things like my iPhone and battery bank, those worked flawlessly. Especially after a full day of outdoor adventures, my devices were powered to full. Now, reviewers have reported that getting a phone to 50% in 5 hours is kind of the common ground when you have a partially cloudy condition. However, I live in sunny Southern California and my device is charged way faster than that, which shows that direct sunlight really does matter. It's not a fast solar panel by any means, but it is extremely functional, which is why I like it so much. I also want to bring up a huge win for this solar panel right here. Many solar panels and YouTubers out there will talk about if half the solar panel unit is covered or not getting sun, the entire unit won't work. I am glad to say that I never had that issue with this model right here. So what are the cons with this model right here? First, it's only USB-A only. No USB-C output, which is really dumb in today's market. It does come with an adapter, but that's another piece you hope you don't lose. But I will say the adapter piece does fit in there nice, good, and snug. Second, while the solar panels are rated for waterproofing, the power output unit isn't. So you still need to be careful when you're in or around water situations. Now there are some things to note. Some reviewers out there say that it's very slow, which isn't true. It's only 10 watts, which is more than enough for iPhones, battery banks, and all your small wattage device out there. But don't expect miracles. If you need more power, just consider paying up for the 20 or the 40 watt, which I'll do you a favor and link down below. It's also worth mentioning, there is no internal battery at all. This charges directly from the sunlight. It can't store energy, so no sunlight equals no charge. You will want to pair it with something like a battery bank for reliable use. I'll do you a favor, down in the video description, I will list all the different battery banks that I have used that work with this solar panel right here. The FlexSolar 10W is priced right around $25 on Amazon, and sometimes it goes on discount for right around $17. And when that happens, that's your chance to get it. I did you a favor and I put links down in the video description like I always do that show you the best time and price you can get yours today. And by the way, those links help me out, so thank you very much. Bottom line, if you're a backpacker, hiker, outdoor content creator, or a camper that wants a lightweight, affordable backup power source, and you're willing to pair it with a battery bank, you'll be hard to find something better than the FlexSolar 10W. It's a solid buy, but if you do need more speed like a USB-C, or you need more power, make sure you step up to their bigger models. Now, if you're looking for more awesome out gear, check a couple of the dude-approved videos over to my side. I want to say thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to go down below, hit like, subscribe, and leave me a comment, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, and peace.